Meet Arin, a curious boy who loves exploring strange places. One day, inside an old magical library, he discovers a glowing time stone and a tiny floating robot named Zikko guarding it. Zikko warns him not to touch it, but Arin touches it anyway and sneezes. Suddenly, time freezes. A giant golden time tiger named Chrono appears and growls, "Who messed with my clock?" Chrono starts chasing Arin through frozen streets and flying books. Zikko shouts, "Press the button on the stone." Arin presses it, and a bright flash resets time. Chrono disappears. Zikko sighs, "Congrats, kid. You're the new guardian of the time."